let's go ahead and start, Todd, with what lessons learned would you share? The do's, the don'ts?
I think the short version of that is it's probably self-evident, but without executive support from across your leadership, you probably won't find success. So we worked hard at every step, and that's not something that needs to happen at the beginning only. That continues to be the case. So right now we're looking at the next steps of our maturity and trying to figure out how advanced analytics can really be leveraged, and the support has to be constant from our executive team. So that's a constant effort to explain, sometimes in very simple terms, what's the return on investment here? What is the competitive advantage we're looking to achieve? And what other wins do we expect? I think the second thing is to have quick wins. I'm a big fan of the approach that David Pottruck in his book, Stacking the Deck, takes to find those quick wins, and we will seek out where it's most likely to exist. Sounds like we already heard an example where AR had a champion already. That's the kind of thing that really sets you up well for success. And that's even when you have an adoption rate that's pretty high already. Each time we've taken a step forward, we've made sure that those quick wins are always in place.